How to connect Canva to N8N. So to connect Canva to N8N, you'll need to use the Canva Connect API and the HTTP request node in N8N. So set up a Canva created app. So go to the Canva developer portal, create a new integration, and follow the quick start guide. Then authenticate with Canva in N8N. So in your N8N workflow, add an HTTP request node, configure the authentication for the node where you'll likely use a generic authentication method, and then need to provide your Canva API key. You may also need to configure the URL endpoint for a specific Canva API request. Then configure your N8N nodes for specific actions. So based on your desired workflow, configure additional N8N nodes to interact with other services like Google Sheets, Notion, and many more, and trigger actions in Canva. For example, you can upload assets to Canva, create designs, and export them, and more. An example workflow might be a trigger, a new row is added to a Google Sheet. In Action 1, N8N retrieves the data from the Google Sheet. Action 2, N8N uses the Canva API to create a design based on the retrieved data. In Action 3, the created design is automatically shared to a Slack channel. And that's how you can basically connect Canva to N8N.